In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on the one that you wish to get rid of, enter your current login method, and last but not least, hit the Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!